Okay, on the grid below, draw an enlargement of the given shape using a scale factor of 3. So basically this shape is going to triple in size because the scale factor is 3. And that means the lengths will triple. So if we look at that horizontal line going across there, that part of the shape there, that's 4 squares, yeah? Well, on a new shape, we're going to triple that. So instead of 4, it'll be 12 because 4 times 3 is 12. So we'll do that first, and it doesn't matter where you draw it in this case, as long as you fit it all on the grid. So I'll go maybe directly underneath it here. Okay, and I'll draw a line of length 12 squares there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, then we've got these sides here. So you can see that side there is of length 2. So now new shape, triple it. So it'll be of length 6. So we go 6 squares down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see I'm going to get this to fit on the grid. Now, this side here is like a diagonal of a square, isn't it? If you notice, one diagonal of a square. So if we're going to triple that, it'll be 3 diagonals. So we'll get the ruler to line up so we've got the diagonals of the square there. So we've got 3 of them. Okay. Then you can see we're going across 1. So I'm going to triple that in my new shape. So I'm going to go across 3. Okay. Now this diagonal will be sort of harder to draw, won't it, here, but you can see where it's going to go. So what we could do is draw the vertical line down here first. So we'll triple that length there. So we'll get length of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we can join these up, okay, just to finish off. And there is my enlarged shape. It's 3 times bigger. The lengths have multiplied by 3. Okay, so in the next one, okay, we've got to do the same thing again, right? Draw an enlargement scale factor 3, make it 3 times bigger. But this time, we've got to draw it in a certain place, okay? It's no good just drawing it wherever you want. It's got to be relative to this A, point A here as the center of enlargement. Now, I'll explain how to do that. It's not that difficult, okay? What you do is, right, is you focus on one of the corner points of the shape. So, for instance, that corner point there, okay? And then ask yourself, what do I do to get from A to that corner point? Okay, so what, of course I'm going across 2 up 2, yeah, my coordinates. So across 2 up 2. Well, because I'm tripling it, right, in my new shape, I'm going to triple that journey, okay? So instead of going across 2 up 2, I'm going to triple that. So triple 2 is 6. So instead of going across 2, I'm going to go across 6. And then instead of going up 2, I'm going to go up 6, okay? So I'm tripled the journey of going across 2 up 2. So I'm going to go across 6 instead and up 6. So in my new shape, that corner point will be over here. You can do the same for every other corner point, like for instance this one here. Now to get to that corner point from A, you've got to go from A then across 2 down 2, yeah? Well, in my new shape, because it's scale factor 3, you're going to triple that. So across 6 and down 6. Okay, so I'm going to end up here. Alright, so you can see my shape's a lot bigger. And just to check, that is of length 4, yeah? So this should be of length 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now, you don't have to keep going from A. What you can do now is you can recreate this shape now, this shape here, 3 times bigger, okay, going from this line. So, for instance, now, let's just do this line here. Okay, let's do that on my new shape. Well, if you see, this is going like downwards 2 diagonals. So that's like a diagonal of a square. So we've got 2 diagonals there. So we're going to triple that. It'll be 6 diagonals. So we need to sort of line it up there so the diagonals are lined up, okay? And we're going to do 6 of them. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so just about fits on here. Then we can go then, we can start here. And we can do a vertical line up, right? So 2 up there, well, we're going to triple that, so we're going to go 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Same here then, we're going to go across. Okay, so we're going to go across, well, that's 2 across, so we'll go across 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we will, to finish off then, we will join that then to create our enlarged shape of scale factor 3.